Hi friends, welcome to Edu M Square. In this video, we are discussing some important information about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is the most remarkable day for environmental action. So let's see some important questions and answers related to World Environmental Day 2021. First question, when is World Environment Day celebrated? Answer 5th June. Second, who hosts World Environment Day 2021? Answer Pakistan. Third, who established the World Environment Day? Answer UN General Assembly. Fourth, who founded the Green Belt movement in Africa? Answer Wangari Maathai. Fifth, Madani Award is associated with answer environment. 6. Which is the first water museum in Kerala? Answer Calicut. 7. What is the theme of World Environment Day 2021? Answer ecosystem restoration. 8. Which is the most abundant gas on Earth's atmosphere? Answer nitrogen. 9. What colors are used to prepare environmental logos and templates? Answer blue and green. 10th. How many times did India host the World Environment Day? Answer 2 times. 11. The radioactive element most commonly detected in human is 12. Which ISO standard applies to the environment management system? Answer ISO 14001. 13. What is the purpose of celebrating World Environment Day? Answer to encourage worldwide awareness and action for the protection of the environment. The study of weather is known as? Answer meteorology. 15. Which decade UN has declared as decade of ecosystem restoration? Answer 2021 to 2030. Who discovered the ozone layer? Answer Henry Besson and Charles Fabry. 17. Name the cold desert in India. Answer Ladakh. 18. Who wrote the book The End of Nature? Answer Bill McKibben. 19. What is the slogan of National Geographic Channel? Answer live curious, think again, dare to explain, this is who we are. 20. Name the Indian Environmentalist and the leader of Chipko Movement who departed recently. Answer Sundarlal Bahuguna. Thank you for watching.